Homemade cheesy broccoli rice casserole with beef recipe. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and hearty dish that's perfect for any weeknight dinner: homemade cheesy broccoli rice casserole with beef. It's a comforting and flavorful recipe that your whole family will love. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound ground beef. 1 cup long grain white rice. 2 cups broccoli florets, steamed. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 10.5 ounces, cream of mushroom soup. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 cup milk. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Cooking oil. Step 1: Cook rice. First, let's cook the rice. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the rice, reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. Step 2: Brown the beef. While the rice is cooking, let's brown our ground beef. Heat a bit of cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat, add the chopped onion, and sauté until it's translucent. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds before adding the ground beef. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's browned. Step 3: Combine ingredients. Once the rice is done and the beef is browned, it's time to combine everything. In a large mixing bowl, mix the cooked rice, ground beef and onion mixture, steamed broccoli, cream of mushroom soup, shredded cheddar cheese, milk, Worcestershire sauce, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Step 4: Transfer to casserole dish. Now, transfer the mixture into a greased casserole dish. Spread it out evenly to ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Step 5: Bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place the casserole dish in the oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's heated through and the top is golden brown. Step 6: Serve and enjoy. And there you have it. Our homemade cheesy broccoli rice casserole with beef is ready to be served. Garnish with a bit of extra shredded cheese if you like, and dig in. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and leave a comment below letting us know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much, cheesy broccoli rice casserole with beef lovers.